Hello everyone, we are the Asgardian Wizards, and today, yes, we actually thought of a custom intro. Aren't we a professional channel now?
We're so professional, yeah. Subscribe.
Yeah, better than PewDiePie.
Yeah, he doesn't have a real intro, does he?
No, he stole his intro he stole the intro from a sitcom, right?
Well, the guy said who stole cooking videos from Dashi.
You weren't supposed to let them know. I'm just gonna let my homie Quinn explain. And what are we gonna be watching today?
So today we're gonna be watching a couple of videos that are probably more compilations than anything else. And well, we already wheezed at the first few seconds of this one, so expect us to lose our shit again, since we have nothing else to do in our lives than wheeze into a camera and a microphone and let people know that we are idiots.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
Let's jump into unusual memes. And yeah, without further ado. No wait, that's Dashi's.
Yeah, you better. Yeah, you shouldn't. Yeah. Let's just go.
Yeah, let's just go. Alright. Oh, we got Shaq. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
what
Jesus fucking Christ. Yes. Oh my god. What is... What are we looking at?
Little Dora the Explorer.
That's me. That's so me. At work every morning when I don't get my coffee. Oh no.
Oh god.
New Super Mario Brothers.
Uh-oh. What the?
My man had some time.
Y'all mind if I wash my hands? What? Wait, what? Wait.
Oh no! You're such a cunt. I mind that. Holy fuck! Why would you do that?
Oh my god. That cat gave me
Has reflexes.
The cat.
Kanye doesn't smile.
He doesn't. What? Okay. Going to get some ice. Something.
I expected an egg.
Fuck!
What?
Oh.
Oh, what the
Oh!
fuck? Somebody is doing some VR skins.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my, that is nightmare fuel. What?
Oh my god.
Oh goodness.
What the fuck? That's me every morning. Wake me up.
Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Please don't go to the... Oh fucking hell.
Damn.
What?
Awesome.
What an attack.
I'm surprised the monkey knows how to drive. What the hell?
Look at this fucking bullshit.
Oh, I've seen this. I've seen
What
this.
the fuck? Do a flip!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, this. Look at
What?
that. Look at the little girl. Look at that. She is so scared.
Me and my friend singing.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is some dodging technique.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Oh god.
If I can't have my shoes, Karen can't have her mom.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh yeah.
That one was so dark.
Oh, this is actually nice. This is German.
Okay.
Plop, plop. Yes. Nice.
Oh, now I remember that one.
What?
What? Where did that person even drop from? I don't know.
Why isn't she still sticking to? I want to do that to my dad now. I'ma die, dude. that Pip will be like. Oh Jesus, dog!
He's like big smile.
Why is he so angry? Why do you have to be mad? Okay, just the usual day.
Oh my god.
This is me.
Oh my god. Holy
This man. What is this?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh god.
What the hell?
What the? Okay,
What?
somebody took some time to do this.
Why does it look so legit though? Look at that.
Wow.
Choo choo, motherfucker.
Number 11.
Ow.
Your father will die.
Damn.
You. Oh my god.
Damn, chills.
Yes,
Oh.
I know that one.
Wait, did it actually go into a pipe?
No, it didn't go in the pipe. There was a hole.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Oh no. Oh my, that poor man.
I guess you could say he got wet.
Oh no, it is so depressing.
Okay. Is it a balloon?
Oh
No. I never understood this one.
no. What?
I don't. Okay. Aww.
Nah, man.
Yeah, I can relate.
Oh no, what is that? Why?
What?
Oh man, there's the boots on.
Okay.
Fuck. Nope. Nah, dude.
No, he's not.
Psych.
What the heck?
That's me playing Wii Fit.
Cheese it. Oh,
Hey,
VR
Link.
chat.
Okay.
Okay then.
Why?
Let the dogs out! Woof! 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 Woof!
Cat confused?
Oh no. Is he gonna smack him? Wait, is he? Oh wait, no. What the wait? What the?
Why?
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, what just happened?
Oh.
Oh.
That was fun. Is this the outro? Cause I don't know. This is just adorable, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if this is the outro.
I think it is. That was cool.
It was. What the hell is this?
Next one!
Yes. Let's watch the next one. Watch the next one.
Yo, Clifford's mailman ain't got no business being that sick.
Okay. Oh, I can relate when a bed is that good. What the f-
Sit down here.
I'll just sit down.
Ugh, bath time, my least favorite time of the night. Sorry, just had to wash my hands before getting in.
What the what? Okay, okay. He's running. He's running.
What is he doing?
I don't know.
Is that Owen Wilson from
Oh
Disney
my God.
Pixar's
Oh my
Cars?
fucking.
Oh! Oh god!
Hey guys, there's something wrong with my Cheez-Its.
Yeah, I want that too. I want to burn.
Oh, pasta.
Don't eat the packing peanuts!
Okay.
Oh, Ma, there's a little bitch in the fucking snacks again. Hey, you wanna make a little snowman? Zeke, let's make a little snowman.
He looks like
Make that
Jim,
little snowman.
the dog.
Gotta
Oh.
roll it.
Something's gonna
This is
happen.
adorable.
Roll it.
Oh no! Oh shit. Okay.
Wait, what is that?
Wait, the voices?
Get up!
What?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Bro,
I don't know what the hell
this
happened.
ice is thick as fuck, boy.
Oh no.
Me.
Ice isn't that strong.
Where's the food?
Oh!
Oh.
What?
I don't know.
Forbidden rice.
Can't you read?
Okay, what?
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh no, why would you think that's a good idea?
Can I eat your oh.
Is this for me? Oh my god, yeah!
Okay. He's gonna drop it. He's gonna drop.
I'm not
Wow.
like those guys because I have a vagina.
Okay. Thank you for the information.
Why would you do that?
Why? Why?
What's in my shirt, you ask?
That's the trained kitten, not saying anything.
Yeah.
People ask me, do I even skate? Do you even skate?
Ew!
No. Ooh.
What? Oh yeah, I get that.
What the heck?
You take the moon and she took the kids!
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I've seen that. That was from a TV show.
So guys, what I did was, this is my calculator, right? And I opened it, and I was checking
Okay.
1, 1, 3, and 4, and when I turned around, hell, it's in it.
That's cool.
That's a smart kid. Okay. You got a lot of toilet paper there. You got a lot. Oh.
Hey, you having some girl time in here? Not on my watch. It's like our watch tells that it's like a time joke. Anyway, your old man's gonna catch some shut-eye. You girls don't have too much fun in here.
Shut up, Steve. You're not even my real.
The fuck is this butter so hard? Bitch, the fuck? Fuck.
Oh my god. Murder.
Right, like.
What?
How did we...
The dog's always on the table!
Oh my god, can you stop? Can you stop? Just collaborate and listen.
Yes.
I wanna see y'all on y'all baddest behavior.
Oh my
Give
goodness.
me some sugar. I am your neighbor. Here we go.
West Virginia.
Me and my friends hanging out every day.
Oh yeah.
Yo, let me say something real quick to the fat girls on this app. Hey.
What the what?
The cat left.
The cat wasn't having any of that. Okay. Oh, what the heck? What the fuck was that?
I think the rain is actually a lot like communism. When you think about it, at first it sounds really nice, but once you actually get out into it, it is even better!
Communism.
Hey yo, big thigh gang. If your thighs be dummy thick, duet this.
Got a couple of hams right here, huh?
Oh my god, ginger prick.
Oh my god. What the what?
Your face is delicious.
Oh my god, what the hell? Okay.
Want to make
What's
out?
happening?
Hey mom, can you pick me up? It
What?
happened again.
Uh,
My vagina, mom, it fell out. No, I can't put.
Okay.
Me every day. Again.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Guess what? Me.
Wait. What is?
Murder.
That's what I always do.
That Jenny Neutron.
I don't.
Isn't he just a child? My name's Chris Hansen with Dateline NBC. Go ahead and have a seat.
Hey, bro, Kyle. My mom said that your mom just died, so you're staying with us. But she's bringing home Taco Bell, or I can tell her to bring home Domino's.
The only thing whiter than clapping when the plane lands
Right.
is putting eyelashes on your fucking car.
What the? It just looks so weird.
That music.
Oh yeah, shit. Fuck. Copyright. Oh my. Yeah, I should have seen that coming. What the heck? What the what?
How did you get that on there?
Good question.
Oh, it's milk.
Oh, I don't even know what that was, nor I don't want to know.
Me.
Oh.
Yes.
Come on. It's gonna hit.
Yes, and that one, the next one too.
Yes. Okay. Come
Oh
on.
man, totally excited.
Yeah.
Oh no! Don't fall.
Come on.
Yes, come on. Please.
Yeah.
I get asked all the time.
Nice.
How tall are you? I tell them I'm 6'10". Like, wow, that's so cool. You must be so good at basketball and you can reach things off high shelves. I'm like, yeah, being 6'10" is cool, but like there are also some issues with being 6'10".
Meet John. Oh, John. Easygoing. Okay. Caring.
Oh, I've seen this type of ad before.
And has undetected gonorrhea. STDs are at their height.
Okay, so you're just gonna put your finger in.
What is happening?
Whoa. You know why it does that? Why? Because you're adopted.
Oh my god. I just finished the Lego Batman movie.
It's Christmas time, right? Everybody's supposed to be so happy at Christmas, but I'm mad. And I'll tell you why I'm mad.
Okay, tell me.
As a matter of fact, I'll show you why I'm mad.
All right.
Okay, I'll show you. Follow me.
Okay, show us.
I'm mad. And I'm mad at Samsung, okay? I'm calling you out, Samsung, right now. I've got your fridge, right? Nice fridge, whatever. Touchscreen, blow, there we go. Anyway, look at this. I bought your new oven, and I've had my chicken fingers in here for probably 20 minutes, and they are still not cooked. The package says 15 minutes!
Yes.
My glasses!
Oh God, pull over!
Oh.
Aw. Always be careful.
Wow.
Okay. The map. The world.
This is me, walking back to the Target bathroom to re-wipe
Yes!
my ass.
Oh my god!
What is happening?
Falcon!
Oh, I didn't realize. Fucking Avengers. It's like,
What I want?
What I want!
There's a lot of music in this.
Hey Eli, there's a spider by you.
Oh my god!
You got him. How'd I get in that situation? Well, I'll tell you.
Oh,
All starts summer '86.
Oh no! What?
Oh, rip.
This is so me when I meet somebody who's under 5'10". Hey there, didn't realize you were such a bitch.
Okay.
Aww.
Do you want to relax? Do you want to detoxify? Do you want to be soothed?
Okay.
Do you want a coconut?
Okay, here's the deal. If white people can't say the N-word, then black people can't say. Whoop, oops,
Yes!
daisy.
I'm fine with that.
I'm, Richie. I might be stuck in the bathroom. I don't care.
Yeah, we don't care.
Yeah, nah. Oh.
It's Britney.
It's pizza time.
Can I get
Pizza
free?
time.
Just the usual. Okay.
Wait. Oh.
Yes.
This is a wobbly.
Oh.
Put the coochie in the bag.
Brain like the smell. She get a whiff and thought that it was a spell.
Okay,
I ain't
okay,
say
okay,
come,
okay.
but she at the hotel.
Going home.
Oh no.
Dramatic. Uh-oh. No, 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 not the
Whoa,
pumpkin.
that's epic. Oh, that's it?
Wait, damn. I was... damn, that, it ended so abruptly.
Yeah. Next one!
More memes. Memes. Oh, a Sonic meme. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Not this kid again.
Oh. Oh my god.
Okay.
What?
What the?
You got great flow.
Bubby.
What? Is that a chicken?
Yeah.
It is.
No, is it? I think it's a pigeon.
That's a cute little pigeon. What's it gonna
It's a
do?
cute fucking thick pigeon.
Well, it sounds like a chicken though.
No! Whoa.
Jeez. My room
I know how you like to do it sometimes. It's one of those old measures.
is
What you got?
Wait.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, good job. Okay.
Hey.
Hey.
Ah ha 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 ha.
Okay.
Gotcha.
See, even I
Hey,
wouldn't
babe, what
make.
you doing?
Even I wouldn't make that joke.
Ooh. I gotta go. Don't burn the kitchen down.
Alright, I'm gonna try not to.
Love you.
too.
Well, goddamn.
This is my
Good
voice
job.
last day of PlayStation. This is my voice 1 week on Xbox. Mom, what's your favorite batteries? This is my voice 2 weeks on Xbox. 3 weeks on it. Mom, we need batteries.
There's something wrong with my turtle.
What?
Larry, speak to me.
Dude, what the fuck?
What is that voice?
We got a hollow out.
Yeet.